Put yourself together, we haven't heard from him in only a few hours.
I know, but he usually checks in by now. I'm just worried.
He might just be busy or his phone could have died.
Maybe, but it's not like him to go silent for this long.
True, but we shouldn't jump to conclusions.
You're right, but I can't help thinking something might be wrong.
I get it, I'm concerned too, but panicking won't help.
I just wish he had left some sort of message.
Let's try to stay calm. Have you tried calling him again?
Yeah, it goes straight to voicemail.
He could be in a place with no signal. Let's give it a bit more time.
I guess. I just hope he's okay.
Me too. We can start reaching out to others if we don't hear anything soon.
Good idea. Maybe someone else has heard from him.
Exactly. Let's not assume the worst yet.
I know, it's just hard not to worry when there's no word.
I understand, but we have to stay positive.
Yeah, you're right. I'm just anxious, that's all.
We all are. Let's keep busy and wait a bit longer.
Okay, thanks for helping me stay grounded.
Of course. We'll hear from him soon, I'm sure.
You should take this flashlight with you. It may come in handy.
Are you sure? We're just going for a short hike?
You never know. It could get dark earlier than expected.
True, I guess it's better to be prepared.
Exactly. Plus, we can use it to signal if we get separated.
Good point. Do we have everything else we need?
I think so. Water, snacks, map, and now the flashlight.
Great. I'm looking forward to this hike. The weather is perfect.
Yeah, it's going to be a beautiful day. The views from the top should be amazing.
I can't wait to take some pictures. Did you bring the camera?
Yes, I packed it along with extra batteries.
Awesome. How long do you think the hike will take?
Probably around 3 hours round trip, depending on our pace.
That sounds doable. Do you know if there's a place to sit and have lunch?
There's a nice spot near the summit where we can rest and eat.
Perfect. I packed sandwiches and fruit.
Today was a real double whammy for me.
Oh no, what happened?
First, I spilled coffee all over my new blouse right before an important meeting.
That sucks. Did you have time to change?
Barely. I had to rush back home, change, and then hurry to the office.
And you said there was a second thing?
Yeah, the meeting itself was a disaster. The presentation file got corrupted, and I couldn't open it.
That's rough. Did you manage to recover it somehow?
No, I had to wing the entire presentation without any slides.
Wow, that must have been stressful. How did it go?
Not great. I was flustered and probably missed some key points.
I'm sorry you had to go through that.
Thanks. I just hope it didn't make a bad impression on the new clients.
I'm sure they understand that technical difficulties happen.
I hope so. It's just frustrating when everything goes wrong at once.
Absolutely. Maybe treat yourself to something nice tonight to unwind.
Good idea. I think a long bath and a good book are in order.
That sounds perfect. You deserve a break after a day like that.
Thanks, Mike. I appreciate your support.
Anytime, Karen. If you need to talk or just vent, I'm here.
Thanks. That means a lot. Let's hope tomorrow's better.
It will be. One rough day doesn't define the whole week.
I nearly choked on my food earlier at lunch.
Really? What happened?
I was talking and laughing with the team, and a piece of bread got stuck in my throat.
Oh no, that sounds scary. Did someone help you?
Yeah, fortunately, James noticed and did the Heimlich maneuver.
Wow, thank goodness he was there. You could have been in serious trouble.
I know, I was so embarrassed, though. Everyone was staring at me.
Don't worry about it. I'm sure everyone was just concerned for your safety.
True, I guess it was a reminder to be more careful when eating.
Definitely. It's easy to forget how quickly things can go wrong.
Yeah, especially when you're distracted or in a rush.
Were you eating something particularly dry or tough?
It was just a baguette sandwich, but the bread was really crusty.
Those can be tricky. Maybe next time, take smaller bites.
Good advice. I think I'll stick to softer foods for a while.
That sounds like a plan. How are you feeling now?
I'm fine, just a bit shaken up. It was a close call.
I'm glad you're okay. If you ever need anything, let me know.
Thanks, I appreciate your concern.
Of course. It's what friends are for. Let's get some water to wash down any lingering pieces.
Good idea. I could use a drink after that scare.
Alright, let's go grab some water and relax for a bit.
Sounds good. Thanks for being here for me.
We need to leave at 6 p.m. on the dot.
Why so early? The event doesn't start until 7:30.
I know, but it's a Friday night, and traffic will be terrible.
True, I forgot about the traffic. Do you think we'll make it on time?
If we leave right at 6, we should be fine. I don't want to risk being late.
Okay, I'll be ready. What are you planning to wear?
I'm going with a suit. It's a pretty formal event.
Good call. I'll wear my new dress then.
Nice choice. Do you need to bring anything else?
Just my purse and the invitation. Do we need anything else?
I've got the tickets and our IDs. I think we're set.
Great, I'll double check my bag to make sure I have everything.
Sounds good. We should leave a little early to find parking.
Good idea. Parking can be a nightmare around that area.
Exactly. Better to be safe than sorry.
All right, I'll be down in a few minutes.
Take your time, but let's try to stick to the plan.
Got it. Do you know where we're going after the event?
Yeah, there's a nice restaurant nearby for a late dinner.
Perfect. I'll make sure to bring a jacket, in case it gets chilly.
Good thinking. I'll meet you at the car when you're ready.
Okay, see you in a bit.
Please subscribe and see you in the next video.